ang 3 in Ate Check is 5 seconds. Ito naman si Ate Roddy. Ay, ayaw ni Ate Roddy. Go, Ate. Si Ate Charis. Game natin si Clarice. Si Ate Clarice. Kakala ko Charis. Ready na? And go! 15 seconds! 15 seconds para ng ating Clarice. So, may bago tayong top 3. Dahil ito po si Clarice. Sunod si Ate Clarice. At ang 14 seconds natin, si Ate Chichi. Siyempre. Ayan. Next, si Angelica. May Angelica? Okay, very good. And go. Question for 19 seconds. Following current, 19 seconds para Ate Angelica. Dito yung top 3 natin. Si Laji, 20 seconds. Dito ko yung Laji. Si Angelica, 19 seconds. And si Clarice. Ayan, na 15 seconds. Ayan, ibibig niyo sila ha. Galikan mo, ikaw ate, anong name mo ate?
Alam, may ano ka pa.
Ate Gian. Go Ate Gian, kaya bang ibig sila? Ay, kaya kami ate. Okay, Ate Gian, ready, go! 18 seconds! Ayan, meron tayo mo ate si Ate Marimaro Tawri. Tanggalan si Ate Clarice. Salamat Ate Clarice. Ayan, we have Ate Laji, Ate Angelica, and Ate Gian. Okay, ate. Ano name ate? Ate Bernie. Go, Ate Bernie. Ready, go! Ayan. Okay, go na natin, Ani. Okay, game na siya. Ready? Ate Ani, go!